Hello guys, welcome to our channel Ronix TV, and today we have a challenge. It's Biryani Challenge! Woo! This time we will try Ritaj Biryani from India and Ibrahimi from Pakistan or Pakistani Biryani. So we will try these two, and side by side we will see which one is the best for me, because this two is suggested of all my friends here in Abu Dhabi. So what are we waiting for? Let's try! Okay, first, so let's open the Ritaj. We have a yogurt, we have a special sauce, and we have vegetables or salad here. This is how it looks like. Okay, and next we have Ibrahimi here. There is vegetables. There is a I don't know this one, and the biryani itself. Let's see and open. Actually, Ritaj is 16 dirhams. Ibrahimi is 16 dirhams also, so it's matching the price. And what are we waiting for? Okay, so we'll open the Ritaj first. So this is how it looks, the Ritaj Biryani. So maybe 4 family can feed for this one. And this is the Ibrahimi Biryani. I think the Ibrahimi has the long grain rice compared to Ritaj. I think Ritaj is a Hyderabadi, some place in India, and this is Pakistan. I don't know which state from Pakistan. So this is looks like I think Ritaj has more masala inside, and the weight is much bigger and heavier than Ibrahimi, and this is Ibrahimi. So let's see, and let's try to taste this one. So I'm so hungry, and I'm so excited to taste both side by side. So I want to share to you which one is the best taste for me. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So actually I'm not an expert in biryani, but in my own taste, I'll just share to you guys which one for me is the best biryani for me. And this is the one of the best here in Abu Dhabi, suggested by my friend. So it means if this is the best one from Pakistan, from Indian, it means I can give you an idea which one is the best. This is same, both spicy. So first I will try the Ritaj. I want to taste the rice. So I smell the cardamom, masala, and spicy of this biryani, and I like it. I like the Ritaj biryani. And next I'll try the rice of Ibrahimi. I'll put some little bit masala. So it's nice also, and Ibrahimi is a little bit spicier than Ritaj. The rice is good, and the taste both of these biryanis, it's close to each other in terms of rice. Next I will try the chicken itself. So let's find a little bit of chicken. This Ritaj, it's tender, and the saltiness of this chicken is okay. The meat is not dry. So let's try the Ibrahimi. It's good also. The taste is very nice also. It's tender also, but I think Ritaj has it's a winner in terms of tenderness of chicken. Its spiciness, the winner is Ibrahimi. And the level of salt, I think both are the same. So let's try the sauce. This is the sauce of Ritaj. The sauce is like little bit spicy, and there's a sour, like a lemon taste or pickle taste, and there is coconut milk on it, I'm sure, and it's a thick feeling, so more on like a curry and some coconut and lemon, I don't know. And I'll try the sauce of Al Ibrahimi, more on tomato taste, garlic, and the light compared to the Ritaj. It's thick, but in Al Ibrahimi it's light. So there's also masala in it, and curry, and everything in that. So I'm not an expert. I'll just giving you an idea in my Filipino perspective. So so I just want to share to you guys which one the best for me. So I'll try to eat more, of course, and I want to invite my wife to eat with me after I ate all of this. So we will tell to you which one is our best, the Pakistani biryani or the Ritaj biryani. My wife is already hungry, and she is excited to eat, and actually my wife loves biryani also. What are we waiting for? I'm hungry and I'm excited, so I want to eat this, and I give you and share to you guys which one is the best for us. Too much hot and spicy. Spicy, Rocco? No, it's no spicy for Rocco. Actually, he ate also biryani from Ritaj because the Ibrahimi biryani is too way hot than Ritaj. Even almost I can take the hotness of that spicy level of spicy of Al Ibrahimi. But all in all, I promise to share to you which one is our best for us, for my family. And first I will ask my wife, Nikki, what do you think is the best for, and not the best, but do you think it's
prefer? I choose Ritaj. It's more savory and more tasty for me.
Oh, so for Nikki it's Ritaj. And for Rocco, which one, Rocco? You want Ritaj or Al Ibrahimi? For sure, Rocco wants Ritaj. Why? Because he ate a lot in Ritaj, and even he didn't feel any spicy or hot of Ritaj. And also, for me, I choose also Ritaj. Why? Because I feel like it tastes more little bit tender. The chicken is tender. Spicy level is okay. It's not that hot, and the masala and in the biryani itself is good. And I like the rice also.
Quantity.
And the quantity also. It's almost we put it in another plate for the Ritaj because it's overflowing. So
the portion for our Ritaj is more bigger
than the Al Ibrahimi. So, but Al Ibrahimi is good also. I like it also. I like the taste. But for me, for now, the Ritaj is better. It's the winner. So kudos for Indian biryani. If you know some good Pakistani biryani or Indian biryani, let me know. So we want to love to go there, the restaurant itself. So please comment if you have a suggestion for the restaurant, and please like it help you this video, and please comment if you have comment or if you have any suggestion, and please subscribe to our channel for more video like this. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you, and bye for now.
Thank you for watching.
We have a lot of video still, so just click the other video. Bye!